Just had a thought to sing one of my songs a cappella. Haven't actually done this. It's called You Lift Me Up. When I needed love, you gave me your heart. When I needed peace, you gave me your hand. When I needed joy, you gave it your all. When I needed faith, you showed me my soul. With all that you give, you helped me to live my way back home. You lift me up, you hold my hand, you make me smile, you understand. You are my one, my all, my true. I thank the day that I found you. You lift me up and make it easier. Through the good times and the bad, I could always count on you. You lift me up. When I needed space, you gave me the world. When I needed time, you gave all that you had. When I needed words, you gave all you could find. When I needed thoughts, you opened my mind. With all that you give, you help me to live. My heart is your home. You lift me up, you hold my hand, you make me smile, you understand. You are my one, my all, my true. I thank the day that I found you. You lift me up and make it easier. Through the good times and the bad, I could always count on you. You lift me up. I'd give the sun, I'd give the moon. If I could hold the stars, I'd give them all to you. There's nothing in this world that I wouldn't do to have you in my life. 'Cause all I need is you. You lift me up, you hold my hand, you make me smile, you understand. You are my one, my all, my true. I thank the day that I found you. You lift me up and make it easier. Through the good times and the bad, I could always count on you. You lift me up. Take my heart, take my soul, I give them both to you. They are the last that I don't need. All I need is you. Hope whoever saw this enjoyed. Have a great evening.